How to change your name in Ludo King. Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. If you are trying to customize your profile in Ludo King and you want to change your name, then here's how you do it. First of all, launch open Ludo King game on your device, and once you're inside the home screen, go to your profile icon at the top left corner. This will open the statistics page where you need to click on your current name at the top, and from this page, click on your name once again. Now go ahead and enter a new name, and once you are done, click continue at the bottom. Once you do that, you'll be able to change your name immediately. So there you have it. That is how you can easily change your name in Ludo King in just a few taps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.